It's Friday. You know what that means? We're taking time to look back at some of your questions from the week. We got a few about the Supreme Court hearing on Idaho's abortion ban, specifically about Idaho's Attorney General Raul Labrador's involvement in the case. We'll start with Tracy and Cuna asking, did our Attorney General argue the case in front of the Supreme Court of the United States, or did Idaho pay an outside law firm? Good question. So Attorney General Labrador was in the Supreme Court physically. He was in there for the proceedings, but he wasn't the one speaking. It was actually Josh Turner who spoke in front of the United States Supreme Court, and he's a lawyer and the chief of constitutional litigation and policy on the Attorney General's team, the expert. So no, Idaho did not hire an outside law firm for their day at the Supreme Court. Next question. Why isn't anyone asking AG Raul Labrador to produce evidence that the hospitals are lying about sending pregnant women out of state for emergency abortions? St. Luke's chief doctor is being accused by the Attorney General of spreading misinformation. Yeah, these are big comments, and we've seen a lot of these like this to us specifically and out on social media. And Attorney General Labrador was very specific in his words at the Supreme Court, most notably in the interviews after the proceedings. He said that he hopes that hospitals aren't creating political strife. But yes, lots of questions about how Labrador addressed the situations and the implications he directly talked about or implied about St. Luke's or Idaho hospitals in general. But I just wanted to replay his comments on the topic, and then we'll talk about them.
So I have asked emergency room doctors what this is all about, because I want to be informed about what's happening in Idaho, and they're saying that they don't know what this is about. So I would like to get some more information on this. In my opinion, if somebody's being transferred out of the state of Idaho whose life is in jeopardy, that actually doesn't conform with their practice and the things that they're supposed to be as doctors. So I would hate to think that St. Luke's or any other hospital is trying to do something like this just to make a political statement.
So a summary for you, AG Labrador says that he personally spoke with ER doctors and that they did not see what's being reported, including by us. We spoke with the chief medical officer there. So maybe the people that Labrador spoke with aren't seeing or hearing the same things. I don't know why. There could be a lot of reasons, but it sounds like to me personally and our 208 team that AG Labrador and the St. Luke's leadership team, they need to sit down in a room and talk this through directly. And I'll tell you this, we are more than happy to help arrange it.